1. For similar carrier and modulating signal, the line current used in CSI is identical to line voltage in VSI, identical to line current in VSI, identical to phase voltage in VSI, identical to phase voltage in CSI, identical to line voltage in AC in VSI. During commutation period in three-phase converter or lap time is dependent on the load current, dependent on the voltage, dependent on both the load current and load voltage behind the short circuit current, independent on both the load and current and load voltage, dependent on both the load current and voltage behind the short circuit current. The effect of EMI can be reduced by suppressing emission, reducing the efficiency of the coupling path, reducing the susceptibility of the receptor. All of these. A silicon control rectifier is made up of silicon because silicon has larger leakage current than germanium. Silicon has small leakage current than germanium. Silicon has small leakage voltage than germanium. Silicon has large leakage voltage and then germanium. So correct answer is silicon has small leakage current than germanium. AC power in a load can be controlled by using two ACRs in parallel opposition, two ACR in series, three ACR in series, four ACRs in series, two ACRs in parallel opposition. The switching function of semiconductor devices can be characterized with duty ratio only, frequency only, duty ratio and frequency, duty ratio, frequency and time delay, duty ratio, frequency and time delay. Electrical power output in a DC generator is equal to electrical power developed in armature copper losses, mechanical power input iron and friction losses, electrical power developed in armature iron and copper losses, mechanical power input iron and friction losses, copper losses. Mechanical power input iron and friction losses, copper losses. If a shunt motor is started with its field winding open, then it will rotate at the same speed as that with its field winding closed. It will rotate at less speed as that with its field winding closed. It will rotate at dangerously high speed. None of these. It will rotate at dangerously high speed. The maximum demand can be estimated approximately by load survey method, mathematical method, statistical method, economic parameters. Statistical methods. The power electron essentially deals with control of AC power at frequency about 20 kHz, frequency about 1000 kHz, frequency less than 10 Hz, 50 frequency Hz, 50 Hz frequency. 50 Hz frequency. In a push-pull converter, the filter capacitor can be obtained as C minimum is equal to V divided by VRLF square. C minimum is equal to 1 D into V divided by VRLF square. C minimum is equal to 2D into V divided by 32 VRLF square. C minimum is equal to 2D into V divided by 42 VRLF square. C minimum is equal to 2D into V divided by 32 VRLF square. MOSFET stands for metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Molybdenum oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Metal oxide silicon field effect transistor. Metal oxide semiconductor field effect transmitter. Metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. In a flyback converter, the inductor of the buck boost converter has been replaced by a flyback capacitor, flyback resistor, flyback transformer, flyback transistor, flyback transformer. Advantage of Cock converter is a large number of reactive components, low stress on switch, low stress on capacitor. None of these. A MOSFET for its conduction uses only minority carriers, only majority carriers, both minority and majority carriers, none of these, only majority carriers. An RC snubber circuit used in BJT divert the collector current during turn off, improves the reverse bias safe operating area, dissipates a fair amount of switching power, all of these. The AC output voltage waveform of VSI and AC output current waveform of CSI respectively is composed of high dV divided by dt, low di divided by dt, low dV divided by dt, low di divided by dt, low dV divided by dt, high di divided by dt, high dV divided by dt, high di divided by dt. If energy is taken from the AC side of the inverter and sent it back into the DC side, then it is known as motoring mode operation, braking mode operation, regenerative mode operation, none of these. Regenerative mode operation. A combination of synchronized leading edge and trailing edge modulation has also been used to control a boost single phase power factor converter, a buck DC-DC converter to reduce ripple in the intermediate DC bus capacitor, both A and B, none of these. Both A and B. A regulator sampling pulse width modulation is usually used in high power inverter rectifiers, low power inverters, only A and B, high power inverters and rectifiers. In a three-phase VSI, single PWM to use a single carrier signal and preserve the features of pulse width modulation technique. The normalized carrier frequency should be multiple of 2, odd multiple of 3, odd multiple of 5, odd multiple of 7, odd multiple of 3. In square wave operation mode of three-phase VSI, the VSI can control the load voltage, cannot control the load voltage, cannot control the load voltage except by means of DC link voltage, cannot control the load voltage except by means of DC link current, cannot control the load voltage except by means of DC link voltage. For commutation in three-phase PSC, normally balanced three-phase voltage VR, Vy, and Vb are connected to the three legs of the converter via three inductance, three capacitance, three resistance, three transistor, three inductance. If all the SCRs of three-phase PSC is replaced by diodes, they would be triggered which degree after the zero crossing of the corresponding line voltage, 60 degree after the zero crossing of the corresponding line voltage, x degree before the zero crossing of the corresponding line voltage, 60 degree before the zero crossing of the corresponding line voltage, so 60 degree after the zero crossing of the corresponding line voltage. The ability of electronic system to function properly in its intended electromagnetic environment and should not be a source of pollution to that electromagnetic environment is known as susceptibility, emission, interference, electromagnetic capability, electromagnetic capability. The opposite of susceptibility is immunity, emission, interference, electromagnetic compatibility, immunity. The output current in pulse width modulation DC-DC converter is equal to average value of the output inductor current, product of an average inductor current, and a function of duty ratio, either A or B, none of these. So either A or B. A step-down chopper can be used in electric traction, electric vehicle, machine tools, all of these सब में इस्तेमाल होता है. In a lossless inverter, the average power absorbed in one period by the load must be equal to the average power supplied by the DC source, greater than the average power supplied by the DC source, lesser than the average power supplied by the DC source, equal to the average power supplied by the AC source, equal to the average power supplied by the DC source. The AC voltage controller can be used for lighting and heating control, online transformer, tap changing, soft starting, all of these. in a full bridge VSI in order to avoid the short circuit across the DC bus and the undefined AC output condition. The modulating technique should ensure that the top switch of each leg is on at any instant, bottom switch of each leg is on at any instant, either A and or B, none of these, either A or B. The phase angle of gate signal in strike can be shifted by using a capacitor, a variable resistor, and inductor, only A and B. In SPWM, the modulating signal is square, sinusoidal, triangular, sawtooth. Sinusoidal. A track can be turned on with positive voltage at the gate terminal, negative voltage at the gate terminal, either A or B, either A or B. The transfer function of pulse width modulation is generally derived in time domain, frequency domain, either A or B, none of these, either A or B. Diode for alternating current and triode for alternating current both are semiconductor devices and conduct in both conductor in either direction. Diode conducts in forward direction and triode conducts in reverse direction. Both the conducts in forward direction, both conducts in reverse direction, both conducts in either direction. The Kratz bridge makes excellent use of current transformer, potential transformer, power transformer, ACR, power transformer. In constant frequency pulse width modulation, a perturbation, the amplitude of the sinusoidal component is a linear function, non-linear function, constant function, none of these. None of these. If the firing angle becomes negative, then the rectifier begins to work as a rectifier, an inverter, a chopper, a regulator, an inverter. In variable frequency pulse width modulation frequency in variable frequency pulse width modulation gain phase lead helps to increase the phase margin of the control loop. Phase helps to increase the phase margin of the control loop. Phase lead helps to decrease the phase margin of the control loop. Phase lag helps to decrease the phase margin of the control loop. Phase lead helps to increase the phase margin of the control loop. In a three-phase half-wave rectifier, when firing angle is less than 90 degree, then the average DC output voltage becomes positive, negative, zero, none of these, positive. Transformer utilization factor is a measure of the merit of rectifier circuit. It is the ratio of AC input power to the transformer volt ampere rating required by secondary, AC input power to the transformer volt ampere rating required by primary, DC output power to the transformer voltage ampere rating required by secondary, DC output power to the transformer volt ampere rating required by primary. So DC output power to the transformer volt ampere rating required by secondary. A carrier-based pulse width modulation technique in CSI is composed of a switching pulse generator and a shorting pulse generator, a shorting pulse distributor, a switching and shorting pulse combination. All of these. In a square wave operation of three-phase CSIs, the power values are on for 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree, 120 degree. A ripple factor is the ratio of RMS value of an AC component of load voltage to the DC voltage, average value of the AC component of load voltage to the peak value of voltage, average value of the DC component of load voltage to the AC voltage, peak value of the DC component of load voltage to the AC voltage, RMS value of the AC component of load voltage to the DC voltage. Form factor of a rectifier is the ratio of root mean square value of voltage and current to its peak value, root mean square value of voltage and current to its average value of current and voltage to its root mean square value, peak value of current and voltage to its root mean square value. Root means square value of voltage and current to its average value. Silicon control rectifier can be turned on by applying a gate pulse and turned off only when current becomes zero, and turned off by applying gate pulse by applying a gate pulse, and turned off by removing the gate pulse by making current non-zero, and turned off by making current zero by applying a gate pulse and turned off only when current becomes zero. Track is a semiconductor power electronic device which contains two SCRs connected in reverse parallel, two SCRs connected in parallel, two SCRs connected in series, two BJTs connected in series, two SCRs connected in reverse parallel. The curve between V and I of SCR when anode is positive with respect to cathode and when anode is negative with respect to cathode are known as both as forward characteristics, both as reverse characteristics, former as forward characteristics and later as reverse characteristics, former as reverse characteristics and later as forward characteristics. So forward as forward, former as forward characteristics and later as reverse characteristics. An SCR can be used as static conductor for power control, for speed control of DC shunt motor, all of these. With gate open, the maximum inode current at which SCR is turned off from on condition is called breakdown voltage, peak reverse voltage, holding current, latching current, holding current. A crowbar is a circuit which is used to protect a voltage-sensitive load from excessive DC power supply output voltage, current-sensitive load from excessive DC power supply output voltage, voltage-sensitive load from excessive AC power supply voltage and output voltage, current-sensitive load from excessive AC power supply output voltage, voltage-sensitive load from excessive DC power supply output voltage. Bidirectional semiconductor is device is a diode, BJT, SCR, triac. A full wave rectifier with resistive load produces a second harmonic, third harmonic, fifth harmonic, do not produce harmonics. An ideal diode is unidirectional, bidirectional, fixed directional, fixed voltage polarity, only A and C, and unidirectional and fixed voltage polarity. The input current waveform of a bridge control rectifier when the load is perfectly filtered is sine wave, square wave, sawtooth wave, trapezoidal wave, square wave. The IGBT resulted in higher switching speed and lower energy loss. It can be used for uninterruptible power supply, induction heating system, constant voltage and frequency power supplies, all of these. All of these. The advantage of using free-wheeling diode in half-control bridge converter is that there is always a path for the DC current independent of the AC line. There is always a path for the AC current independent of the AC line. There is always a path for the DC current dependent of the AC line. There is always a path for the AC current independent of the AC line. There is always path for the DC current independent of the AC line. To detect an overcurrent fault condition, the most reliable method is to connect a current sensor across IGBT, voltage sensor across IGBT, current sensor in series with IGBT, voltage sensor in series with IGBT, current sensor in series with IGBT. Harmonics in three-phase inverter can be reduced by using passive filter, active filter, both passive and active filter, none of these, both passive and active filter. The on-state voltage drop of IGBT consists of drop across the collector junction, drop across the drift region, drop across MOSFET portion, all of these. The most suited gate pulses given to the AC regulator with RL load can be in the form of continuous signal, large isolating pulse transformer, a train of pulse, none of these, a train of pulse. The maximum firing angle in the half-wave control regulator is 180 degree, 190 degree, 200 degree, 210 degree, 210 degree. With increase in firing angle, both harmonic direct distortion and quality of input current increase. Harmonic distortion increases and quality of input current decreases. Harmonic distortion decreases and quality of input current increases. Both harmonic distortion and quality of input current decreases. Harmonic distortion increases and quality of input current decreases. In a phase control three-phase AC voltage controlled controller, this harmonic present is second, third, fifth, seventh. Second, the harmonic present is second. The power MOSFET device is a current control unipolar device, voltage control unipolar device, current control bipolar device, voltage control bipolar device, voltage controlled unipolar device. In dual converter, both rectifiers provides positive current to the load. Both rectifiers provide negative current to the load. One rectifier provides a positive current to the load and the other negative current. One rectifier provides positive current to the load source and the other negative current to the load. Both rectifiers provides positive current to the load. The conduction in IGBT is more than the MOSFET, than that of MOSFET, lower than that of MOSFET, equal to that of MOSFET, equal to that of BJT, lower than that of MOSFET. For a buck converter to reduce the conduction losses in diode, a high on resistance switch can be added in parallel, a low on resistance switch can be added in parallel, a high on resistance switch can be added in series, a low on resistance switch can be added in series, a low on resistance switch can be added in series. The advantage of HVDC transmission over AC system is our reversal of power can be controlled by firing angle, very good dynamic behavior. They can link to AC system operating unsynchronized. All of this. For bidirectional operation of converter, a parallel combination of controllable switch and diode is used. A parallel combination of controllable switch and capacitor is used. A series combination of controllable switch and diode is used. A series combination of controllable switch and a capacitor used. A parallel combination of controllable switch and a diode is used. In rectifier, load current flow is unidirectional, bidirectional, either A or B, non-directional, unidirectional. Due to non-sinusoidal waveform of the input current, the power factor of the rectifier is negatively affected by firing angle, negatively affected by distortion of the input current, positively affected by both firing angle and distortion of the input current, both A and B. Single phase VSI are mainly used in power supplies, UPS, multi-level configuration, all of these. The main made noise source is our motor, switch, radio interference, computer, digital electronics, all of these. Very large values of modulation index greater than 3.24 lead to square AC output voltage, sine AC output voltage, triangular AC output voltage, trapezoidal AC output voltage, square AC output voltage. An electrical signal present in a circuit other than the desired signal is known as noise, distortion, interference, all of these. Noise. In single phase VSI, the harmonic which is not present is second, third, fifth, seventh. Second. In combination, PAC stand for permanent angle converter, phase angle converter, phase angle commutation, phase and commutation, phase angle converter. Double Fourier series analysis of pulse field modulation is two-dimensional function, three-dimensional, one-dimensional function, all of these two-dimensional function. In the operation and control of both naturally commutated and force commutated ACR-based converter, commutation plays an important role. The converter is an AC-DC, DC-DC, DC-AC, all of these. In bipolar modulation, the carrier is symmetric about 0 with amplitude equal to Cf. The pulse field modulation output 0 switch between 1 and half 1 phi 1 phi half and plus half switch 1 phi 1 and plus 1 switch between 0 and plus 1 switch between 1 phi and plus half. In a three-phase VSI, out of 8 valid states, the number of valid states that produces zero line voltage is R1, 2, 3, 4, 2. The square wave operation of three-phase VSI lines contains the harmonics. The amplitude are directly proportional to their harmonic order, inversely proportional to their harmonic order, not related to their harmonic order, none of these. In inversely proportional to their harmonic order. In a three-phase voltage source inverter, only amplitude of voltage is controllable. Only phase is controllable. Both amplitude and phase is controllable. Amplitude, phase, and frequency of voltage should always be controllable. Amplitude, phase, and frequency of voltage should always be controllable. Under harmonic free load voltage, the three-phase VSI does not contain the second harmonic, does not contain the third harmonic, does not contain fifth harmonic, does not contain seventh harmonics, does not contain the second harmonic. Double edge modulation eliminates certain harmonics when the reference is a sine wave, square wave, triangular wave, trapezoidal wave, sine wave. For similar carrier and modulating signal, the line current used in CSI is identical to line voltage in VSI, identical to line current in VSI, identical to phase voltage in VSI, identical to phase voltage in CSI, identical to line voltage in a VSI. The carrier which are commonly used in constant frequency pulse width modulation is sawtooth carrier, inverter, sawtooth carrier, triangular carrier, all of these. In a three-phase CSI, if the required line output, all of these. In a three-phase CSI, if the required line voltage are balanced and 120 degree out of phase, then the chopping angles are used to eliminate only the harmonics at frequencies 5, 7, all 11, all of these. A capacity load in voltage source inverter generates small current spikes and can be used by using an inductive filter. Large current spikes and can be increased by using an inductive filter. Small current spikes and can be increased by using an inductive filter. Large current spikes can be reduced by using an inductive filter. Large current spikes and can be reduced by using an inductive filter. In a three-phase converter, the number of nodes per cycle is 13696. The main objective of static power converter is to obtain an AC output waveform from a DC power supply. During commutation period in a three-phase converter, overlap time is dependent on both the load current and load voltage behind the short circuit current. The control method used for pulse width modulation DC-DC converter is all of these: voltage mode control, current mode control, hysteresis control. Between the incoming and outgoing device in voltage commutation, no overlapping operation. The average value of the output voltage in a step-down DC chopper is given by V0 is equal to dVs. The effects of EMI can be reduced by suppressing emission, reducing the efficiency of the coupling path, reducing the susceptibility of the receptor. All of these. Chopper is a DC-DC converter. In radiatory coupling, the emitter radiation field decays as I by R, where R is the separation distance between the emitter and the receptor. In BJT, switching losses occurs both a turn on and turn off. In BJT, the forward bias emitter junction injects hole from base to emitter. The holes do not contribute to the collector current, result in net current flows component into the base. In electromagnetic compatibility signal, the source delivers the maximum power to the input of transmission line when the transmission line input is equal to the source resistance. As the breakdown voltage reached the Rayleigh diode for alternating current exhibits negative resistance characteristics, goes into avalanche condition, voltage drops, snaps back, all of these. For swept frequency measurement, the input impedance of the mismatched transmission line would vary with frequency as the radial length of the transmission line would increase with frequency. Diodes are specifically designed to trigger TRIAC and SCR. Voltage commutation circuit can be converted into a current commutation by interchanging the position of diode and capacitor. In a three-phase bridge rectifier, the ripple factor ripple frequency is 6 times the input frequency. In a load commutated DC-DC chopper, the capacitor has a symmetric trapezoidal voltage across itself. The sum of all phase current in a star-connected primary winding with no neutral connection is equal to 0 at all. In current commutated DC-DC chopper, the voltage spikes appear across the load when voltage across the commutating inductance collapses. The capacitor voltage adds to the supply voltage. For power output higher than 15 kW, the suitable frequency is three-phase and polyphase. In a full wave rectifier, the rectification ratio is approximately equal to 80%. LISN is a device used to measure conducted emission. LISN stands for the Line Impedance Stabilization Network. In a single phase full wave rectifier during blocking state, the P inverse voltage of diode is 2 Vm. A single phase AC-DC converter is also known as a rectifier. The output power of the cascaded amplifier attenuator system can be determined using actual gain of amplifier and attenuator. If the gate voltage of NACR is removed, then the anode current does not decrease at all. Which of the following is our active element? Voltage source, current source, both. Anode of an operational ACR is always positive with respect to cathode. An ACR is made up of silicon because silicon has small leakage current than germanium. In silicon controlled rectifier, the load is connected in series with anode. AC power in a load can be controlled by using two ACRs in parallel opposition. Number of pin junctions in an ACR is 3. The switching function of the semiconductor devices can be characterized with the duty ratio, frequency, and time delay. IGBT stands for insulated gate bipolar transistor. Electrical power output in a DC generator is equal to mechanical power input, iron and frequency losses, copper losses. An idle switch is lossless, carry current in any direction when it is on, does not carry any current in any direction when it is off, all of these. In AC-DC conversion, when the switch is closed, then the sum of voltage around the loop is non-zero. If a shunt motor is started with its field winding open, then it will rotate at dangerously high speed. A rectifier with an external low-pass filter is an example of direct switch matrix circuits. What is the advantage of HRC high rupturing capacitance fuses over rewirable fuses? High speed operation, high rupturing capacitor, no aging effect, all of these. The power demand can be estimated approximately by statistical method. A thyristor is rated to volt in series. The operating voltage of the string is 6 volt. The rating factor of string is 0.25. Unipolar modulation is generally used in DC-DC converter. Dynamic equalizing circuit is used for equal division of voltage across each thyristors. A string of n parallel ACR is operated at 72 kA. The rating of each ACR is 1 kA. If the rating factor of the string is 0.1, value of n will be 60, 70, 80, 90, 80. 60 thyristors are connected in series and parallel to form a 10 kV and 5.5 kA switches. Each thyristor is rated for 1.2 kV 1 kA. The number of parallel paths are 6. The efficiency of the switch is 3%. Economy 6%. 3%. Maximum di divided by dt is in SCR is directly proportional to Vm of supply voltage, inversely proportional to Vm of supply voltage, inversely proportional to L in the circuit both A and C, directly proportional to Vm of supply voltage. A thyristor string is made of a number of SCR connected in series and parallel. The string have volume and current of 11 kV and 4 kA. The voltage and current rating of available SCR are 18 volt and 1000 ampere. For a string efficiency of 90%, let the number of SCR in series and parallel are A and B respectively. Then the value of A and B will be 7 or 5. For series connected SCR, a dynamic equalizing circuit consists of R and C in series but with diode across R. By which one of the following we can measure the reliability of a string derating factor? A node current in an SCR consists of holes only. To meet high current demand, we use SCR in parallel connection. Dynamic equalizing circuit is useful to limit dV divided by dt of SCR. For voltage equalization, SCRs are used in series to meet high voltage demand. Which of the following is a two-terminal, three-layer device? BJT, power diode, MOSFET, none of these. Try. On state voltage drop across SCR lie between this range 1 to 1.5 volt. Which of the following is not a power transistor? IGBTs, CMOS, TRIACs, SITs, TRIACs. Which statement is true? All is true. Which of the following is normally on device? SIT, BJT, TRIAC, SIT. Typical range of thyristor turn-off time is 3 to 100 microseconds. Power transistor or type of all of these. During gate recovery time, charge carrier of the two junction recombined. During reverse recovery time, charge carrier of junction J1 is swept out. Charge carrier of junction J3 is swept out. Which of the following is true about SIT? SIT is a high power, high frequency device. High power, high frequency device. During which time maximum conduction spreading takes place in the thyristor during turn on spread time. A GTO gate turn off thyristor can be turned on by applying positive gate signal. SITH is also known as field control diode. The typical time of rising time lies between 1 to 4 microsecond. The reverse recovery time of diode is the typical time of rising time lies between 1 to 4 microsecond. The average recovery time of diode is 3 and the rate of all of the diode current is dI/dt is equal to 30. The storage charge current QR is 135. Maximum power loss occur during rise time. Spread time is defined as the interval during which a node current rises from 98% to its final value. For series connected SCR, dynamic equalizing circuit consists of turn on. A power MOSFET has three terminals called drain, source, and gate. Rise time is defined by the interval when anode voltage drops from 9% to 10% of its initial value. Anode current rises 10% to 90% of its final value. A modern power semiconductor device that combines the characteristics of BJT and MOSFET is IGBT, insulated gas bipolar transistor. Delay time is defined by the interval time. All of the interval when all of these. Which one is most suitable power device for high frequency greater than 100 kHz switching application for MOSFET? Snowball circuit is used with ACR silicon control rectifier in parallel. Why resistor is used in snowball circuit? To minimize the discharging current. What may happen high dV divided by dt? Unwanted turn on breakdown of J2 junction. Thermal voltage Vt can be given by Kt divided by Q. What happened due to high di divided by dt local hotspot? IGBT stands combines the advantage of BJTs and MOSFETs. Which of the following is used in ACR to protect from high dV divided by dt snapper circuit? CoolMOS device can be used in application up to power range of 2 kVA. What is used to protect a thyristor from high di divided by dt condition? Inductor. Compared to transistor, thyristor lower on-state conduction losses and higher power handling capability. Material used in heat sink should have all of these. A thyristor can be termed as a DC switch. Which of the following is used in heat sinks? Aluminium. How can we protect ACR from thermal condition using heat sink? Thyristor is nothing but a control switch. Gate circuit or triggering circuit of a thyristor is lower power circuit. After proper turn on of thyristor, gate signal must be removed. ACR will be turned off when anode current is latching current but greater than holding current and gate signal is 0, less than holding current. The capacitance of reverse bias junction J2 in a thyristor is CJ2 picofarad and can be assumed to be independent of the off-state voltage. The limiting value of the charging current to turn on the thyristor is 16 mA. What is the critical value of dV divided by dt? 800 volt per microsecond. BCT is used for high power phase control. Let a thyristor VC1, VC2, VC3 are forward breakover voltage for gate current Ig1, Ig2, Ig3 respectively. Then VC1 is less than VC2, VC2 is less than VC3. When Ig1 is greater than Ig2, Ig2 is greater than Ig3. Which of the following device has highest di divided by dt and dv divided by dt capability? GTO. Which triggering is most reliable? Gate triggering. Leakage current flows through the thyristor in both forward and reverse blocking mode. Which of the following is disadvantage of fast recovery diodes? Doping is carried out. When a large surge current of very short duration flows through a thyristor, then which one of the following device will operate to protect the thyristor? Fast acting current limiting device. Fuse. A power semiconductor may undergo damage due to high di by dt. CB used for overcurrent protection of thyristors operates when the fault current is of long period. If the inode current is 800 ampere, then the amount of current required to turn off the GTO is about 200 ampere. What is used to protect the ACR from overcurrent? CB and fuse. Under normal operating condition, voltage clamping device offers impedance of high value. Which semiconductor device acts like a diode and two transistor? Triode for alternating current. Under all voltage condition, impedance offered by the voltage clamping device is low. The latching current of GTO should be order of 0.7 mA. GTO 0.7 mA. The maximum di divided by dt in ACR is directly proportional to supply voltage, directly proportional to inductance in the circuit. Example of voltage clamping device: metal oxide resistor. Switching frequency of SITH is 100 kHz. Practical way of obtaining static voltage equalization in series connected SCR is by the use of a resistor of the same values across each SCR. The resistor can be protected from overvoltage by using voltage clamping device. The resistor can be protected from overvoltage by using 10 mA. A single-phase full-bridge inverter can operate in load commutation made in case load consists of RLC underdamped. The function of snowball circuit connected across the SCR is to suppress dV divided by dt. For an SCR cathode characteristic is a straight line of 130 for triggering source volume of 15 volt and allowing gate power dissipation of 0.5 watt. Compute the gate source resistance 119 11.9. For series connected SCR, dynamic equalizing circuit consists of R and C in series but with diode across R. In forward blocking mode of thyristor, junction J2 is in reverse bias and J1, J3 is in forward bias. In reverse blocking mode of thyristor, junction J1, J3 is in reverse bias and J2 is forward bias. If holding current of thyristor is 2 mA, then leaching current should be 0.004 ampere. Which statement is true for latching current? It is related to turn on process of the device. A step-up chopper has input voltage x10 volt and output voltage x50 volt. The value of duty cycle is 0.27. A step-up chopper has input voltage x10 volt and output voltage x50 volt. The value of duty cycle is 0.27. A single-phase one-pulse control circuit has a resistance R and counter EMF E, load and load 400 sin 314 as the source voltage. For a load current or EMF of 200 volt, the range of firing angle control is 30 degree to 50 degree. A single-phase full-bridge inverter can operate in local commutation mode in case load consists of RLC underdamped. An SCR is considered to be a semi-controlled device because it can be turned on but not off with a gate pulse. The typical value of SCR for modern alternator is 0.5. An SCR has half-cycle surge current rating of 3000 ampere. For 50 Hz supply, one cycle surge current will be 21.32 ampere. A track has 3 terminals with 2 main terminal and a gate terminal. A thyristor is basically PNPN device. A PNPN device having 2 gates is BCS, battery charging system. A silicon control rectifier SCR is a device with 3 device junctions. A thyristor equivalent of a thyratron tube is a silicon control rectifier. A track is a 3-terminal bidirectional switch.